Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today in our class we are going to learn what do we mean by complementary angles. So let's start. Let's see first what is the definition of complementary angles. See, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90, they are known as complementary angles. What does this mean? See, angle 1 plus angle 2, if we add angle 1 plus angle 2, if we get 90 degree, then both the angles are known as complementary angles. They are complement to each other. Okay, so if angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 90 degree, then both the angles are what? Complementary angles. See, angle 1 plus angle 2, both is added, then we get what? 90 degree. So with this concept you have to solve the practice set 16. So let's see what is there. Question number 1. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angle. Means what? The measure of one angle. Measure of one angle is given. They have told that both the angles together form complementary angle, and they have given measure of one angle. We have to find the measure of second angle. Okay, so how do we do this? See, the measure of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. For example, 1, see, 40 degree. Angle 1 is 40 degree. What will be the measure of angle 2? To make it as 90 degree. Sum of measures of both the angles should be equal to what? 90 degree when it is coming to complementary angle. See, we have to follow certain steps. See, 40 degree is what? Given angle. We have to find the second complementary angle. So let the measure of the complementary angle be x, because we don't know the measure of the second angle. So we have given that angle name as x degree. Then what? We know that in complementary angle the sum of measure of two angle is equal to 90 degree. So then 40 degree, that is angle 1, plus second angle we have taken as x degree. So 40 degree plus x degree equals to what? 90 degree, because they are what? Complementary angles. Then what we have done? See, x we are keeping here only, and 40 going to 90 side. 40 has which sign? Before 40 what sign is there? No sign, means what? Plus. So plus sign going into other side becomes what? 90. See, x we are keeping here only, equals to 90 is also here only. Then 40 going to 90 side, going to the other side of equal to. So plus 40 going to other side becomes what? Minus 40. Exchange of sign when it goes to other side of equals to. So then what? 90 degree minus 40 degree, how much? 50 degree. Means the x we have taken, that measures to be what? 50 degree. Measures to how much? 50 degree. So then we are writing the final answer as the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is what? 50 degree. Means what? If one angle is 40 degree, the other angle is what? 50 degree. We are getting as 50. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 40 degree is 50 degree. Complement of 40 is what? 50. Okay, in this manner you have to follow this step for finding the complement angle. Okay, so this is sum number 1 of practice set 16. Now see, I'm doing sum number 8. Okay, some rest all are same, so I'm doing sum number 8. See, x degree. Now what they have given? They have given one angle to be x degree, and now what they have asked? Find the measure of the second angle. So they have already taken as x, so we will not use the alphabet X, we will use some other alphabet. See, let the measure of the complementary angle be y degree. Here, because the measure was given as a number, so we are taking as X. But here they are taking X. Okay, so that's why we are taking some other variable. So let the measure of the complementary angle be y. Means one angle is X and the other angle, the complement angle to X is what? Y. So then what we know, that angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to what? 90 degree. So X degree plus Y degree equals to 90 degree. So why we are keeping here only? Because we are finding the measure of the, we are finding the complement of X degree. Say, see what they have asked, find the complement, write the measures of their complementary angle. Means the angle complement to 40 as we have found as 50 degree. So we have to find the complement, we have to find the angle which is complement to X degree. So that's why we are keeping, see, we are keeping Y here only because Y is our complement angle to X. So Y equals to 90. See, X going other side of equals to, so X has which sign? Plus. Nothing means what? Plus sign. So plus X going to other side of equals to becomes what? Minus X. So 90 degree minus X degree. Okay, so the measure of the complement angle to X degree is how much? 90 minus X. The measure of Y degree is how much? 90 minus X degree. So this is the measure of the complement angle to X degree. So at final answer we are writing as the statement as the measure of the complement of an angle of measure X of X is what? 90 degree minus X degree. So this measure which we get is what? Complement angle to X degree. X degree plus this angle will make sum up to 90 degree. Okay, so now this was the first part of practice set 16. Now I will show you how to do the second part. Second part, what they have given, see, y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Means angle 1 is what? Y minus 20 degree, and angle 2 is what? Second angle is what? Y plus 30 degree are the measures. This measures angle 1, this measures angle 2. Then what they have asked, find the measures of each angle. Now see, as you can see, this y minus 20 means some figure should come as measure one angle, and some figure should come to be as measure of second angle. So what they have asked, find the measure of each angle. So this is y minus 20 angle 1 plus y plus 30 angle 2. As I have told you, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to what? 90 degree. In case of what? Complementary angle. When they have told you that the two angles are complementary, then angle 1 plus angle, both the angle, addition of both angle need to be what? 90 degree. So we are writing in that format, y minus 20 angle 1 plus y plus 30 is angle 2. See, put the brackets properly, equals to what? 90 degree. Why? The reason is what? The sum of the measures of the complementary angle is 90 degree. This reason you have to mention. Okay, now we are opening up the bracket. See, y degree, y minus 20 plus, as there is plus sign, so no change in sign if the bracket opens. So y degree plus 30 degree equals to what? 90 degree. Now what? See, y degree, which sign is there before y? Plus sign. So this 1y, this y, y have which sign? Plus. So plus y plus y. 1y plus 1y. How much y? How much y? So 2y degree. Then what? See, minus 20. Minus 20 plus 30. Minus 20 plus 30. Minus plus means what? Minus plus equals to what? Minus. So 30 minus 20 is how much? 10. And which sign we will give to 10? The number, the bigger number sign. So 20 and 30. So which one is bigger? 30. So sign of 30 is what? Plus. So we are giving plus sign to what? 10. Got it? See, y plus y is how much? 2y. Then minus 20. This you have learnt in multiplication and division of integers. Multiplication and division of signs. How to do addition of the two different signs. Okay. So that you have to remember. Minus 20 plus 30. How much? See, minus 20 plus 30 is how much? Minus plus becomes what? Minus. So 30 minus 20 is how much? 10. Minus plus becomes minus. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Then what? Bigger number is what? 30. So the sign of 30 we will give to 10. This thing you know as you have learnt in multiplication and division of integers. Okay, so what we get? 2y degree plus 10 degree equals to how much? 90 degree. Then what? See, 2y we are keeping here only. 10 plus 10 going to other side of equals to becomes what? Minus 10. Minus 10. See, then what? 2y, you have to show each step properly. 2y degree equals to 90 degree minus 10 is how much? 80 degree. Then what we have done? See, y keeping here only. 2y means what? 2 into y. See, no sign between the number and variable means what? Multiplication. So 2y degree equals to 80 degree. Then what we do? Then y we are keeping here only. 2 going other side of equal to will be what? 2 is in multiplication. So if 2 goes in other side of equal to, goes to other side of equal to, it will get what? Divide. So 2 shows what? Division sign. So 2 comes down. Then what? 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 2 zeros are 0. So how much we get? 40 degree. So y, only y, the measure of only y, this y turns out to be how much? 40 degree. So measure of y is only 40 degree. We have to find what? This whole thing, this whole bracket is angle 1 and this whole bracket is angle 2. So we have to find this whole bracket and this whole bracket. So angle 1 is what? Y minus 20 is angle 1. Y minus 20 is angle 1. Y, how much we got as y? Y we get as 40 degree. So in place of y we are writing as, see, in place of y I have written 40 because we get y as what? How much? 40 degree. So 40 minus 20. How much? So 20 degree. So angle 1, this angle 1 turns out to be how much? 20 degree. Now angle 2. What is angle 2? Y plus 30 is angle 2. Angle 2 is what? Y plus 30 degree. And y, we got how much? We get y as 40 degree. So in place of y, what we will write? 40. In place of y, we will write as 40. 40 plus 30 degree is how much? 70. So one angle and the second angle, this angle comes out to be 70 degree. So the measure of angles are 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. What they have told, they are complementary angles. So you can check 20 degree as one angle plus second angle as 70 degree. They are coming as 20 plus 70 is how much? 90 degree. So they are coming correct. Okay, so we are doing right. So the measure of angles are 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. In this format you have to show each steps properly. Okay, so just one thing you have to remember in complementary angle, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals to what? Equals to 90 degree. Addition of the two angle equals to addition of two angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 90 degree. Addition of two angles equals to 90 degree. And the statement you have to remember, if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. So with this, see, practice set 16, question number 1. See, practice set 16, question number 1. I have shown you this and I have shown you this one. Okay, so from practice set 16, question number 1, you will first do this which I have shown you, and you will practice the sums also. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In same manner only you have to do. In this manner, okay, in this manner only you will do. You follow the steps and you will find the complement angle. Okay, question number 2, I have shown you full. Question number 2, how to do, I have shown you. Okay, so with this we complete practice set 16. Thank you.